And as you can see, we got about 2 full bundles of just tree clippings from the apple tree, another 2 bags. Alright, so we're all finished trimming the apple tree here, so y'all can get a good look at everything. See, this is how we do a green hill. We ain't shining no shoes out here. We ain't playing no games out here. Just doing quality work all the time. And like I said, our work speaks for itself. We cleaned everything up nice and beautifully. Trimmed up all the bottom, all the sides. And if you've seen how she was before, she's looking really good now. And now we got a nice gap between the neighbor's fence and the tree. And that's how we do at Green Hill. Quality work all the time.